Guys, welcome to Pen Dentistry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe to my channel and learn the dentistry in an easy manner. The topic which we are going to see today is biopsy, removal of the tissue from the living organism for the purpose of microscopic examination and diagnosis. For the confirmation of the disease, you have to do the proper diagnosis. For the treatment purpose, if a patient has come to you for the treatment, you should know the diagnosis. And for the diagnosis and for confirmatory diagnosis, you are going to do the biopsy. Removal of the tissue. You are going to remove the tissue from the living organism. For what purpose? For the microscopic examination and diagnosis. Okay. The importance of biopsy is it is a histopathological examination to frame a diagnosis. For the diagnostic purpose, it is a histopathological examination. Detection and confirm malignancy. The disease is malignant or it is benign, that will be confirmed by the biopsy. So this is the importance. It detects and confirms the malignancy of the disease. It is the only way for the confirmation of the diagnosis. To confirm the diagnosis, you are going to use the biopsy. It is the only way for the confirmation process. Lesion is confirmed. You can confirm the lesion. As I have told you, whether it is malignant or benign, that will be done with the biopsy. What are the types of biopsy? There are four types. Excisional lesion. Excisional means you are going to remove. You are going to cut. Incisional means you are going to remove the small section. Cutting of the small section, fine needle aspiration cytology, FNAC, and frozen section biopsy. In excisional biopsy, there will be a total excision. If a lesion is totally excised for histological evaluation, that is known as excisional biopsy. You are going to remove the total lesion for the biopsy. Incisional biopsy is you are going to remove the small section, and the small section is removed, the histopathological report is made. This is the incisional biopsy. Fine needle aspiration cytology. It is also known as FNAC. Aspiration. The word I have written here is aspiration. It is done by aspirating a tissue material. You are going to, if this is the lesion, you are going to aspirate it, the material which is inside the lesion. And microscopic examination is done of this material and the diagnosis is made. This is the fine needle aspiration cytology, FNAC. Frozen section biopsy. Frozen section, the name it says that something is freezing here. Something freezing we are doing. Frozen things we are going to do. It is performed for the immediate biopsy. If you want an immediate histopathological report, immediate histopathology report is you need at that time we are going to do the frozen section biopsy. What we are going to do here, the tissue is obtained from the lesion. You are going to take the tissue from the lesion and it is kept in a very deep freezer. Deep freezing will be done, and then frozen tissue is sectioned. Section means you are going to cut it. You are going to remove a small part. You are going to put it in a deep freezing. You are going to section it and you will see in the microscope. And hence the diagnosis is made on the basis of the frozen section biopsy if you want a immediate biopsy results. So this is the importance and types of biopsy. Now we are going to see the principles and the procedure of biopsy. Principles of biopsy is principle is that you are going to select the most suspicious part, that is the main part you are going to take which may have a chances of malignancy. That part you are going to take as a biopsy diagnosis. Avoid the necrotic ulcerative area of the lesion. The necrotic area, ulcerative area will be avoided. That biopsy is not done. Local anesthesia will be given around the lesion for the painless biopsy excision. It includes the normal tissue as well with the lesion one, and it should be straight and not beveled. Straight incision is made, beveled incisions are not made for the biopsy. These are the principles of the biopsy. Procedure you are going to clean the area, anesthetize the area. Wound is identified. Wound, you are going to see the wound section is removed from the identified site. Now you are going to remove, as you have detected the wound, cleaned the wound and anesthetized the section, you are going to remove from the lesion site. Tissue is cleaned and put into 10% formalin solution for fixation. As you have removed the section, you are going to put that section in the 10% formalin solution for the fixation. Biopsy site is sutured. The sutured from where the tissue has removed, that part will be sutured. After achieving the hemostasis, after the clotting of the blood takes place, you are going to suture the area. The taken tissue is labeled and then given to the pathologist for the diagnosis purpose after labeling it. So this is the procedure, how you are going to do the biopsy of the patient, how you are going to take the tissue from the lesion site and send it to the histopathologist. So this is the video based on the biopsy. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Keep watching Pen Dentistry. If you want to know more about me, you can see the description box. The links are given there. Keep watching Pen Dentistry.